Popcorn Edition. Starring Bomboo. Yes. No, I'm just kidding. No, Bomboo is not in Popcorn Edition. Die. No, I'm just kidding, Bomboo. You're perfectly fine, Bomboo. Good boy in Definitive Edition. But, in Popcorn Edition, this isn't even all the characters in Popcorn Edition. I'm still missing a few. I don't know. Also, I have no idea how that yellow got there. It's not how you think it is. Just so you know. This is Bambi's. What on earth? What? God dang, it's getting foggy. Bam Pal. Bamberize, I think. My favorite that I made. Yeah, this one is my favorite from the original Popcorn Edition, Banzak. It's because of his face.